2 months ago, we packed up our lives, left Oakland behind, and drove our 2 cats all the way down to Las Vegas, Nevada.
We spent 2 weeks in Las Vegas. We played games in the backyard, we drank with family and friends, and we soaked in the Las Vegas sun.
My parents threw an epic going away party where they made foods for all the countries we're going to visit on our year-long journey.
And then it was time for the hard part, saying goodbye to everyone, and especially the 2 most important people in our lives.
Here, Bo. Come here. Come here, big guy. Oh, come here. Say bye. Say bye. Don't miss you. Be good.
Little kitties. Oh, you don't like to be out. All right, let's let you go free.
And just like that, we were off to the great unknown, where we've spent the last 5 weeks in Mexico City.
All right, and that's a wrap. We got super lucky that we got a rooftop that we could get that drone footage on. But we're pretty much wrapping up here. We're packing up. We're heading out. So that's it. Before we leave, we thought we would show you what we've been up to here in Mexico City. It includes a lot of food. Here we go.
Good morning from Mexico City. It is our first day here in our year-long trip. Tacos de canasta is basket tacos, which generally the families load up all the tacos in a basket, put it on the back of their bike with all the salsas, and they drive around yelling, "Tacos de canasta!"
Oh no.